In your science notebook, you're going to open to the table of contents. You're going to write day and night, dot, 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 page 87. Then you're going to turn to page 87, and you're going to glue down this page. Watch the rest of the video, and you should be able to answer these questions by watching the video.
All right, so last week we did a lab where we looked at the sun, that's our light, and we looked at the earth, and we talked about the earth's rotation on its axis, and we talked about the earth's revolution around the sun, which is when it goes in its orbital path. So we're going to look more closely at that this week, and starting with day and night. So is there day all over the earth at the same time? No. What side of the earth gets daylight? It's the side that's facing the sun. So if I can find North America, since that's where we live, okay, North America is right here. So North America right now is experiencing daytime because they are on the lighted side, or they are facing the sun. This side of the earth over here is in a shadow. It is not getting any light. This is Asia and Europe. So right now, while we are experiencing daytime, Asia and Europe are actually experiencing nighttime. As the earth rotates, the North America will go to the dark side, or face away from the sun. So now it's over here, so now it's at nighttime. And then Asia and Europe will be facing the sun, so they will be experiencing daytime. So the rotation of Earth on its axis is what gives us day and night. Half of the Earth is experiencing day, while the other half of the Earth is experiencing night. So when you see the sun in the sky, it appears that it's rising in the east and setting in the west, which, okay, yes, that is what it technically does, but is the sun moving? No. What is causing that sun to rise? It's the rotation of the earth that's causing it to rise. If Earth did not rotate, or if it was tilted differently on its axis, we wouldn't experience day and night. For example, I'm pretty sure it's Uranus. Its axis is not as vertical as ours. Ours actually isn't vertical, it's at a 45-degree angle. So we don't actually rotate straight up and down, we rotate a little tilted. Well, Uranus is actually almost a 90-degree tilt, so it rotates like this. So we're using Earth, but we're pretending that this is actually Uranus. So it actually experiences daylight for half a year, Uranus does, because as it rotates or as it revolves around the sun, this side is experiencing daylight for half the year. But when it rotates and it gets around to this side of the sun, this side will experience day and the other side will experience night. That's Uranus, not Earth. So Uranus has half a year of daylight and half a year of nighttime or darkness because of the tilt of its axis. The rotation of Earth on its axis and the tilt of the axis is what gives us our day and night. So you should be able to answer all 5 of the questions on your notebook page now. If you have any questions, email me.
You should have already answered all the questions on notebook page 87. I did want to go ahead and show you this answer key in case you were stuck on any. Your answers don't have to be exactly the same as mine, but they should be similar. So you can pause the video and check your answers.